What's up, everyone? I'm here with a couple of items that just arrived in the mail. One is from Nike, and the other is from StockX. And in these boxes and packages are the FTC Lagoon Pulse Dunks and the USA Parra Olympic kit. So I'm super excited to get into this. I have made something for everyone today. There's another video that is Stock Options for Dummies that I just released. If you're interested in how I paid for this, I basically have two pairs again, one to wear, one to stare. They were ballpark $500 each. After getting the Olympic jersey, I decided I want to get the Parra dunks as well that have the abstract art for the Olympics. So, you know, roughly 3 dunks, 500 each, that's like $1,500. In this other video, I basically showed how on Monday of this week, I made a trade. It was maybe three clicks on my phone, and I made $1,600. So if you want to see how I did that, go check out that video. I thought about mixing this together, but I thought, let's just keep them separate and see how each of these videos do to get a sense for who's interested in what on this channel. So I have been waiting ever since I saw the renderings of this shoe to get this shoe. It just came out earlier this month. It was giving off very strong kind of alternate colorway to the Strangelove vibes, and I knew I had to have this shoe. So I basically bought it prior to it actually releasing, knowing that I most likely was not going to hit on sneakers, and of course I did not. But they basically arrived about as quickly as had I got it on sneakers. So I'm very, very, very excited to see what is in this box. Standard Nike SB Dunk box. All of the usual StockX paperwork. And I have no idea if these are going to be good or not. They look good. Are they actually going to be good? I don't know. Let's see. I'm sure if you're interested in this, you probably know the history. It is designed after a Japanese bathhouse. The inside of the tongue, I think, represents male and female or man and woman. The liner is basically like a towel you would dry yourself with. It's got blue suede and then embossed leather that's basically got squares that are designed to represent the tile that you would find in a bathhouse. Translucent sole. This to me, like I was saying, just has, I mean, it has vibes of the Diamond Supply Co. dunk. It has vibes of the Sean Cliver dunk. And it really, to me, marries up quite nicely with the Strangeloves. I think this is a really, really nice shoe. So I'm pretty happy. I would say I'm not disappointed with this in hand. I think that these are absolutely a great buy at their current pricing, around $400. I think these are long-term holds. I know a lot of people didn't know what FTC is. It's actually a skateboard shop called For the City that's based out of San Francisco, but it does have a location in Japan and other areas of the world. That's part of the reason I wanted this shoe as well. I mean, San Francisco is local to me, so this would be a local skate shop. And I think they just executed this design perfectly. I mean, a lot of shoes these days are going for shock value, a lot of contrasting colors. This shoe catches your eye, the yellow and the blue contrast, but it's just so clean. It's just such a clean look. I think that these are gonna be absolutely great long-term holds. I think these are gonna be worth a lot of money someday if you sit on them, but it's gonna be fun to get a pair on feet as well. So I'll get some up-close shots of these. Overall, well constructed. Like I said, I've got some glue marks on the swooshes that I'm not too keen on, that I want to clean up a little bit, but overall, really nice pair. No very obvious, notable flaws or anything like that. Next up, let's check out the USA kit. This is kind of funny. I seem to remember actually paying $100 for this. I might be wrong. I thought that Nike billed me $100 for this, but the actual tag here is showing a MSRP of $80. So I don't know what's up with that. I basically tried to get everything. I was going for the tracksuit. That would have been the #1 get for me, but this was up there. I think as an individual piece, I probably wanted this more. I just like the fact that the tracksuit had matching pants. But the cool thing about this is it's supposed to be the first skateboarding jersey, because it's the first time that skateboarding is in the Olympics. And man, I just think this is super cool. I think the design is on point. I think it's very, very fresh. They did this for 4 countries, I believe. The font, the USA font, good choice. The Parra logo. This is just very, very cool. So now that I've got this, I have to go after the Dunk. That'll be the next thing on my hit list for what I need to pick up. Overall, super happy with both of these, no buyer's remorse. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one.